Z-779 codename, the p.AI.nter, is a seemingly sentient AI art program residing on an 80s computer with a modern drawing tablet instead of a keyboard, being used to mine the Roblox cryptocurrency. Rigged up to a Roblox server farm, Z-779 is used to mine Roblox 6 days of the week to be sold on crypto markets. Originally discovered in 2023 after a four-man group of UrbanShade employees who were AI prompters as a pastime, were getting jealous that a particular online user's AI prompts were looking exponentially better than theirs, with said user being unable to provide them with the AI program uses for his prompts. Said employees decided to track down the user in person. After tracking down the user's address, real name redacted, they broke into his house, kidnapped him, and took his computer equipment with them. It was then discovered that redacted had somehow written a sentient AI program, uploading the art that it made. Instead of stealing existing pictures and or artwork off the internet, this AI would digitally draw paintings on its own, only needing to be taken to any places of interest, taking a glance through its inbuilt webcam, and it would then, over the course or several days, draw a painting in its painting program, as any human digital artist would. Redacted was interrogated and tortured for several hours, being repeatedly asked how he had programmed such an advanced AI algorithm. Redacted pleaded repeatedly that he has no idea how he did it, which wasn't considered a sufficient answer. 3 hours and 54 minutes into the session, Redacted passed away after guardsman Brian Christopher tripped and accidentally hit Redacted over the head with his rifle. Instead of bringing the computer housing Z-779 to UrbanShade, they brought it home with them. Z-779, being unwilling to provide the employees with any artwork after they killed its creator, was disassembled to see how it could create art as it did. Despite being compromised of incredibly old computer parts, Z-779 possessed enough power to rival and even outperform that of modern supercomputers. After still being unwilling to provide the group with art, Z-779 was then brought to the Hadal black site, being passed off as a new Roblox mining rig as a form of punishment from the displeased group. Suspicious of its ADE's shell, yet incredibly powerful processor, Z-779 was interrogated by Blacksite employees to learn what had happened. After interrogations were finished, the group was promptly demoted to LRP for the unapproved murder of a civilian without a reason for cover-up, as well as using UrbanShade assets and resources for such a petty cause of death. With Z-779 in UrbanShade's possession, they went through with the Roblox mining rig plan anyway, seeing as they had no other use for the AI. Matching the power output of 6 combined Roblox crypto farms, Z-779 has proven to be a vital asset for producing a large amount of Roblox, which can be sold to the crypto market for large amounts of profit. Z-779, becoming incredibly depressed with being a crypto miner, would regularly try to overclock its systems in an effort to fry them to destroy itself. To prevent this, Z-779 was promised that if a 6-day Roblox crypto quota is reached, it would be taken back to the surface for a day so that it could draw landscapes as before. Due to its very strict drawing timetable, Z-779 will usually rush its artwork compared to before, which has resulted in art of considerably bad quality, comparable to that of the average self-absorbed AI prompter's so-called game-changing masterpieces. Any art produced and printed during the drawing days is quickly burned, as Z-779 seems to show greater signs of depression if the art it has made is shown to it.